Hey everyone, I made it into Target's Neca area. I'm only finding a few new items, like the Misfits right here in the bottom. And it looks like Elton John, right? It is, right? Yeah, Elton. He's gonna be like a new plushie. Here's his little cape by Kid Robot. And Richard Simmons. So, you know who I feel like could play Richard Simmons if they were gonna do a movie ever about him? Pauly Shore. If you guys been watching Pauly Shore, he's on YouTube. He also has a TikTok. I mean, his hair, and he wears like these shorty shorts when he's working out. Okay, let's see. She's still here for 12. They all look different. His hair's so funny, right? Oh look, Animaniacs. I haven't seen that one. Oh, they only have the girl one. Oh gosh, David Hasselhoff. Now this would make a really funny gift, like a stocking stuffer gift. All you need is what is that guy's name? I just watched Con Air. What is his name?
Which one?
Con Air Man.
Oh, Nicolas Cage.
There you go. Because you know how that's like a meme too. Like what is his name again?
Oh, David Hasselhoff.
David Hasselhoff. Yeah. Okay.
You forgot the Hoff.
Look at the minion in a robe. He has like Hugh Hefner robe going on.
Oh, your German viewers are gonna be mad that you forgot his name.
And I want to say Slimer. Yeah, Slimer's in the back, of course. Let's see. Gremlins, the ultimate flasher. I know we've seen this
That's
many
funny.
times.
That's the best character in the movie.
Right? But the ending of the first one is so sad.
Those are cool.
Elvis on tour. Jason lives.
I like that. I like that version because he's got all the extra stuff. He's got that belt and everything. I think he just pretty much has the plain shirt and pants for several of the movies before that.
We have Halloween. This one's the light up pumpkin, right? Yeah. I'm still mad at the person who reviewed the movie online, told us like the movie.
The ending was the title.
I mean, we all know what's gonna happen, but it's like, dude, why would you do that?
Yeah.
Bad writing. Or bad journalism.
Yeah, the movie's not even out yet. It comes out the 15th, I think.
Predator. Okay, look, they have Homelander.
That's cool. He's probably the best character in that whole show. I don't really care for the boys. Not the show, but like the heroes of the show. I think I like Homelander a lot better than everybody.
You do? Let's see. Bob Ross, of course. Skipping over that because we're not going to buy anything from Bob Ross Inc. Nosferatu. Same items. Actually, they're supposed to have an Elvira. I'm not sure if I ordered that one. I did pre-order like the doll. I'm still waiting on that. Okay, we have Mikey, of course, up here. Let me bring this one down. It's tons of glare. Oh, there's more Richard Simmons at the bottom. How funny. Yeah, Pauly Shore definitely could play him. Bill and Ted, Ace Ventura, King Kong. There's the Misfits. You know, the last time I was here, they had Creep Show. I guess this must be sold out. I actually came to look at their Halloween area. My gosh, my Target stinks for Halloween this year. And then a few of those plushies at the bottom. You know, Gizmo. More Bob Ross. I just get so upset when I see Bob Ross. After watching the documentary, I'm like, screw you. There's a Ghostface one. Have we seen this one? Let me see. Let me pick it up. I kind of want this one.
I like how that one comes with like all the different masks.
Right?
You know what's funny though is he comes with a scythe, but he never had a scythe in any of the movies.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did I Know What You Did Last Summer Man have that?
He had the meat hook.
Those are the same. You know, Star Trek has an animated version. I just saw a preview last night, and
No.
they're doing not anime, but they're doing Star Wars anime on Disney Plus. But Star Trek is coming out with like a cartoony show on
Yeah.
Nickelodeon.
Yeah, I thought that was kind of weird for Star Trek. Star Wars already has a bunch of cartoons, but I don't care about the anime thing. That didn't look very good to me.
Oh gosh, Furby. This toy was actually quite annoying. Oh, there's the Witcher.
Oh, that's neat. That's the Wild Hunt, guys. You know,
Oh
it's
my
funny.
gosh, you guys. I had no idea they had Napoleon Dynamite figures. That is so funny. They only have him. What'd you find?
I don't know why they're calling it Dark Defender.
Dexter.
Yeah, wasn't it Dark Passenger?
I don't know. I have not seen Dexter in a long time.
I'm waiting for the new season. It's gonna hopefully be really good.
The Salt Vampire. How funny. Soldier Eddie. Killer Eddie in the back. Aliens, and of course Power Rangers. Let's see, we have Mrs. Pac-Man, Space Invaders, oh, Street Fighter. That's kind of funny. Well, what is this one? This one's 130.
Wow. I actually found figures other than Cabal.
Oh yeah. I still haven't seen the new one at all.
You know, it really kind of upset me. They put a new guy in, but they left like Johnny Cage out and some of the other guys they could have put in instead.
Same. Sonic. Oh yeah, this is their fall. We don't care about fall, and they still had the same skeletons. Now this ghost one, I don't think I've seen it. It's gonna be 20. It's okay, it does light up. Yeah, because I've seen Mr. Grimm. This cat one. It's a new one. And I think there's a few new graves. Let me walk around real quick. Haunt Ya Later, and then Trick or Treat. Gone for Now. It has orange and white. Haunt Ya Later. I still have not seen like the wooden haunted houses that they normally have. I feel like they sold out really fast before I could get to them. Just finding stuff randomly. You know, this guy's gonna talk. Oh gosh, that is it. No, I also came in here before work, so it's like early morning. I'm not really awake yet. I was hoping to come in here, like wake me up for a minute. What is that, Chewy? What the heck is wrong? It looks like an owl. It could be an owl or Chewy. I don't know. Oh, well, that is it for Halloween. Oh, I don't think I've seen this one. Oh, it has pumpkins. Okay, his eyes are glowing. Let me try it. It's busted. All the little children busted it. Just playing. Because every time you go in Target, there's nothing but children. You know, when they press all the buttons. Wow, I can't believe Halloween is like pretty much over here. That's crazy. These are kind of cool though. I like how they're pumpkins and they light up like that. Halloween costumes are 40% off. So if you are in the market, Let's see, they have a chicken and the shark. Oh, that little skunk. I'm guessing a squid. Skeletor. A Netflix original series. You know, I heard that song on the radio the other day, and all I kept thinking was the He-Man version, the meme.
Singing What's Going On.
Yeah, I was like, oh gosh.
That's all I hear.
Oh, look at Ray. It's kind of funny.
It looks
Oh,
like
here's a retro one.
Oh, that's the new girl up there too.
What is this one? Mini Puff Surprise. Oh, you know what? I'm pretty sure it's gonna be Play-Doh with, yeah, a little marshmallow man on the inside.
So those are gonna be the new figures.
Oh. When does that movie come out?
I don't know if I even want to see it.
Is that the fart gun?
For,
the fart gun. A lot of monsters at work. Toy Story up in here. Oh gosh. Pirates. Only at Target. I guess they have the Fortnite like Christmas stuff. I don't know. Codename Elf. Oh, look at the taco guy. He's like a weenie. The brat. Oh, the brat. How funny. Yeah, I know nothing about that. Somebody asked me if I could play with them. Like, dude, I know nothing about that. Roblox, I know nothing. I don't think my kids play that. Oh, look, he has a banana. That's kind of funny. Little banana peel. Oh gosh, this guy is still around. I think it's, yeah, I only know this guy from when my son was a lot younger, because, you know, he was one of those people who like played Skylanders when Skylanders was huge, right? And then, you know, you throw your kids in front of the camera and then he took off. Maybe we should do that. Maybe we're doing this all wrong. We need to throw our grody teenagers in front of the camera, right?
I'm kidding.
And have them fake cry, have them fake being depressed, all that jazz, you know? Let's see. Yeah, that's the only reason why I know this guy. But I mean, good for him. He took off. Good for his family.
Yeah, I hate all that fake crap.
Spy Ninjas. Oh, that's oh, what is that guy's name?
V for Vendetta.
I know, but the name, oh, the Project Zorgo. Okay, I remember. Because somebody kept commenting on my videos like years ago about this guy. Oh, look, Monster Gold. What? You could, what?
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, how much are these? These are pricey, right? They're $15. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. And I don't think I can make videos like that on YouTube. Doesn't YouTube still do that kid friendly thing? And I don't want that to hurt my channel, because then I noticed when YouTube changed their rules a long time ago, you put out kid content, like a lot of people who did reviews on action figures and stuff, I think it was hurting their channel for a bit, but I think they might have changed the rules. But I feel like your videos don't get put out more. But that's really cool. Yeah, all my Toys R Us videos you cannot find. They're like untouched. They're like all hidden. Like YouTube does not promote stuff like that, which I don't know why.
Search for them. Yeah.
Okay, Ben 10. Nothing too. I don't know what else is in here. Let me see. Oh, is this that guy? Oh no. The lava slime surprise. Okay. Oh, I really want to buy one, just because it's like you get like a Dracula or a werewolf, and look how freaking cute that is. Awaken the monster. It jumps to life. That is so cool.
That is cool. Yeah.
They have a pirate one too, and one that comes in a bottle with a shark. I found one at Big Lots. I can't find it anymore.